Now we are going to see how to do a electric boat. It is very easy to do in our house. Okay friends, if we join the with HW motor and we put the switch means the fan will run. Okay friends, we can check it in the water. Okay friends, now we can on the switch. Friends, in the HW battery the power is very low. So the electric boat is going very slowly. Friends, you have seen the electric boat how it was working in the water. I have leave it in the tank. If you leave it in the sea or pond, it will very nicely it will go friends. Okay friends, for doing this electric boat, what and all want we can see. Friends, we need one HW battery, one switch, wire. We don't want this much of wire, we want only some wire. HW battery joined DC motor. Tap, I have take a wire tap. You can take a white tap or this tap. 2 pen or 2 pencil. Straw. For straw also we want some straw only. We do not want this much of straw. 2 waste water can. Glue gun. Chalk cutter. This and all we want. Okay friends, we can how to do a electric boat. We can see. Okay friends, we should take this leg. Take 2 in DC motor we have set 2 wire. One is red and black. Join the battery clip red wire and here we have 2 black wire that we want to join in the motor switch. Okay friends, take another black wire. We can join this wire also. Okay friends, if we put the battery means the motor will run. Okay friends, we can fix it in the body of the motor. Okay friends, I have taken one pen. In the bottle I have put one hole. Fixed this leg and take another pencil and put. We have fixed 2 parts and here also we want to I have not put well. You want to put the hole very. Okay friends, I have put the hole very big. Now we can put it inside. Okay, the pencil was went inside. Okay friends, I have fixed this like. Then take the straw. We want to put the glue fully and here also. And we want to stick the straw this like. We want to cut this like friends. We want to cut here and here. Then we have get 2 parts. It's like we want to put all the straw. In remaining this place, this straw will come, friends. Okay, we will stick this like. Okay, next we want to fix the motor and switch. Okay friends, you want to put the battery and you want to check the motor is running well or not. Then we want to fix the leaf. Okay friends, here we will stick the straw. In straw we want to stick this like. Sorry, we want friends, we do not want this much of wire. We want only sort of wire. We should cut here and with the glue gun you want to stick here. Sorry friends, we want to join the switch here, the battery only here. Then we put the battery, means the fan will run. Okay friends, I have fixed all the things with another one bottle. I am showing that one. Okay friends, I have fixed all the things here. Like this only we want to fix. Like this only we want to join, friends. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Okay friends, we can see in another video. Bye.